quick look in the top. Pedestal base, or the neck of the pedestal. And remote control pack. Pedestal base, the actual stand part. That's the TV screen there, so we'll just pop that up here for a moment. So let's have a quick look at the back. Half amp USB, 1 amp USB, digital audio out, optical, if we can see it there. HDMI 3 is ARC, so just 3 HDMIs. Local area network, and it's got composite or component analog signals in. 3-sat tuner and terrestrial for Freeview. So that's the pedestal neck. Removable cover there to cover the cables. Again, cables up there, out of that notch there, and out of the notch there to the TV. Location lugs to the back of the TV. So, screws in the base. Machine screw pack, 4 screws. That's the sort of wire-shaped base. So black matte plastic finish there. Galvanised steel, nice. Another screw pack. Is that the revolving door for prison has actually speeded up. So we are seeing a massive increase in recalls back to prison. We're seeing a rising prison population and a strong probation service that location part there locates into there like a hook. Are you glad to hear that the minister has stepped into So there's 4 screws in there. I'll put that on for now. Remodelling of these contracts is going to make it any more sustainable. So 2 tabs there, locate into those slots, and the recesses there for those protruding lugs. That's it. 4 more machine screws. Solid. Quick look at the remote pack. So, standard Freeview remote. Smart remote.
with a voice control button. That's Bluetooth and infrared. Rock up and down for channels and volume. Composite AV connections there, phonos, and also you've got those so you can make up your component as well if you've got component analog HD devices.
Crime to society. But the company's contracts are being terminated 14 months early, and independent experts now say the system was never going to work.
Our report concludes that the Ministry of Justice set itself up to fail in how it approached these probation reforms, and that the consequences of that is services have suffered as a result, and that the decision to end the
So,
contracts
quick thing
early
to point out
become an
is
additional
viewing
cost to the
angles are
taxpayer.
poor on this TV,
The
I
review of
think. If I can
transforming
find something that's a high
rehabilitation
contrast, we'll have a
raises
look.
serious questions about ministry
If we
of
look at the
justice
TV
decision.
dead on, everything looks right and in
Payment by
contrast, but if we move to an angle, I don't know if I can get something that's a bit more colourful.
Until Sunday, so don't miss out. Shop now in the Oak Furnitureland Winter Sale.
Fuck's sake.
It all ends Sunday.
So, to be critical, let's have a look at the viewing angle. We can see the colours there, and if I move to the side, I don't know if it shows, but they quickly go pale. Look at those faces there.
Know for sure. Add up.
Last year, a threefold rise. And while girls aged 12 to 15 are the most common targets, 1 in 5 victims was aged 11 or under.
The figures are hugely concerning. We're looking at thousands of offences. That means thousands of children that have been groomed on the social networks that we know all of our children enjoy being on, that they use every day. We're really clear now that the government has to step in.
So that's quite noticeable. Poor viewing angle. From the side he's pasty, dead on he's got colour.
Voluntarily to keep children safe.
Facebook, which owns Instagram, said keeping young people safe on our platforms is our top priority, and child exploitation